In this quick tutorial of Audacity, we will learn how to trim unwanted sound from a sound clip. For that, you should have a sound in the track. Just press Ctrl Shift I to insert a sound. Select a sound. Let's play it. For example, I want to remove this part. So I will select like this and just press delete key from the keyboard. Let's record a sound. Hello guys, this is a tutorial in which we will discuss how to remove unwanted sound in Audacity. Okay, let's play it. Hello guys, this is a tutorial in which we will discuss how to remove unwanted sound in Audacity. In the beginning, there is some noise. Hello guys, this is I want to delete this section. So what will I do? I will select this portion and press delete button from the keyboard. Now this is done. Let's play it again. Hello guys, this is much better. This is for now. See you in the next tutorial of Audacity. Till then, take care.